Hello everybody, I will show you how to change the combination on this luggage lock on a suitcase of the Delsey brand. Currently the combination is 000 as you can see, and we will change it into a new combination code. For that I will open the suitcase, that's very easy, and I will lock the suitcase lock in this position. And when I do this, there is a small metallic lever which becomes visible over here, and this lever needs to be pushed back like this in order to free the three dials and be able to change the combination. Again, you might see this, I'm pushing here the lever, the metallic lever, and you can see the dials moving a little bit, which shows they will be set free. So from here it's very easy. I push the lever backwards, and now I change the combination into 1, 1, 1. Here we go. That's already it. I'm releasing the lever. Now we can see the new combination is 1, 1, 1. I'm closing the suitcase with the lock. Here we go. And now I can open with the new combination. That's already it. Hope this is helpful for you for safe travels. Please check back on this channel for more instructive videos. Thank you very much and see you soon.